Welcome to today's Algebra 1 lesson. Today we are going to learn one of the most important skill in algebra, solving one-step equations. So don't worry if you have never done algebra before. I'll explain everything step by step with simple examples. Let's begin. What is an equation? You can write that down. What is an equation? What is an equation? Something like x plus 5 is equals to 12. So an equation is a mathematical sentence that has an equal sign. It is a mathematical sentence that has an equal sign. You can write that down. X plus 5 is equals to 12. Note one thing, the letter X is known as a variable. A variable is an unknown number. Now let's talk about inverse proportions or inverse operations. When you have an operation and when you have an operation, for example addition, we'll solve it by using the opposite sign, which is subtraction. When you have subtraction, we'll use addition. If we have multiplication, the opposite side is division. Then lastly, if we have division, the opposite sign is multiplication. So we are going to work out the operations, and then we will use we are going to see how the opposite sign comes about. Let's look at example 1. Example 1. X plus 5 is equals to 12. X plus 5 is equals to 12. What number plus 5 equals to 12? So this is what we basically do. We will take x. The 5, we will take it to the other side. It crosses the equal sign. Then it changes sign. That means x will be equal to 12. It was plus 5. Now it will become minus 5. That means our value of x is 7. That is our first value of x. Let's look at example 2. Example 2. X minus 9 is equals to 14. X minus 9 is equals to 14. What is the opposite of subtracting 9? We are going to add. This means the value of x is equal to 14. We take the negative 9 to the other side. It will change sign. It will become plus 9. What is x? 14 plus 9. Our answer is 23. That is how we have solved the question. Example 3. Let's look at example 3. We have 4x is equal to 20. 4x is equals to 20. To find the value of x, we will have to, this means 4 times x is equals to 20. To find the value of x, we will divide both sides by 4, so that when we simplify, the value of x will be 20 divided by 4, which is 5. Yeah, we are using the opposite sign of multiplication, which is division. That is why we have divided both sides. Let's look at example 4. X over 7 is equal to 9. This is the same as x divided by 7 is equals to 9. How do we find the value of x? We now have to multiply. We use the opposite sign. So x over 7 is equals to 9. To find x, we will multiply both sides by 7 by 7. So that when we simplify, our value of x. Our value of x will be 9 times 7, which is 63. 63 is our answer. Let's look at example 5. Example 5, you can try it by yourself. Example 5. X plus 8 is equals to 15. Try it out. Find the value of x. So this is what we are going to have. X will be equal to 15. We take the positive 8 to the other side. It will change sign to negative. Therefore, minus 8. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Therefore, our value of x will be 7. Let's look at example 6. Example 6, x minus 13 is equal to 9. Try it out. We want to find the value of x. So the value of x will be equal to 9. When we take the negative 13 to the other side, it will change sign from negative to positive. So plus 13. Therefore, our value of x will be 22. Let's look at example 7. Example 7. 6x is equals to 54. 6x is equal to 54. We want to find the value of x. So we are going to divide both sides by 6. Let me write the equation. We divide both sides by 6. So that when we simplify, the value of x will be equal to 9. So 9 is our answer. Let's look at example number 8. Our example practice question number 8. 9 plus x is equal to 31. We want to find the value of x still. So x is equal to 31. Then 9 is positive. When it crosses the equal sign, it will change sign to negative. So minus 9. Therefore, our value of x will be equal to 22. So 22 is our answer. You can try example 9 on your own. Example number 9. 15x is equal to 120. Try it out. So to find the value of x, we will have to divide both sides by 15. Therefore, we are going to have, let me rewrite the equation. To get x, we divide both sides by 15, both sides by 15, such that when we simplify, we are going to get our value of x as 8. So 8 is our answer. Today you have learned how to solve one-step equations using inverse operations. Remember the golden rule: whatever you do to one side, you must also do to the other. Like the sign changes when it crosses the equal sign. Practice few questions every day and you'll remember, and you'll become more faster in doing the operations. You can have this question for your practice assignment. 12 is equal to x minus 8. You can practice that. The answer should be equal to 20. Yeah, that is the answer for the question. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe for more Algebra 1 lessons every week. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to solve two-step verification, where we use two operations instead of 1. If you'd like personalized online algebra tutoring, my contact details are in the descriptions below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.